If you want to create LinkedIn and YouTube content that attracts your dream clients and customers, this is the perfect channel for you. I'm Cartere, and I'm dedicated to giving you no BS advice on content marketing, content strategy, and copywriting. I've been creating content since 2011. At first, I had no idea what I was doing, but it's been over 10 years and I've learned a lot. Now I've grown an audience of over 88,000 followers across YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And I've generated over 30 million views on YouTube, over 407 million views on Twitter, and I've generated thousands of leads and sales from my content. Now I'm sharing my experience, knowledge, and systems with you. I'll help you create your content strategy, I'll help you become a better writer, and I'll help you get more leads. If this sounds good to you, subscribe. I'm uploading weekly videos helping you grow your business using content on LinkedIn and YouTube. If you want me to help you with your content strategy and copywriting personally, click the link on my channel homepage to book a free strategy session. I'll see you in the next video.